Precina Health engages patients with type 2 diabetes to help them live healthier lives. They use a balance of empathy and motivation to effectively connect, and Precina clinicians benefit from active coaching to build this skill. As a small practice, they need to scale coaching so that their clinicians can reach all the people who need help. And that's where Agentforce comes in. Precina has set up an Agentforce Sales Coach to train clinicians on how to interact with patients. I'm going to step into the role of a Precina clinician getting ready for a new patient pre-intake call. Striking the right balance between understanding patient needs and explaining Precina is critical, and Agentforce is going to help me practice. You'll see here that Agentforce Sales Coach has access to analyze all the customer and patient data, like the fact that this patient has been referred by Dr. Peterson, and that the priority is high, and that the reason they've been referred is type 2 diabetes management. Additionally, Precina has customized the coaching task with context on their protocols and their preclinical intake best practices. I'm going to click Start to begin and practice my pitch. Hi, I'm with Precina Health, and Dr. Peterson suggested we reach out. We work with patients who are frustrated with their diabetes treatment. And I often hear that people are tired of getting just a few minutes with their doctor once every couple of months. They're in a cycle where the solution is more prescriptions with higher doses, and that doesn't feel great. And I found that most people with diabetes want to feel better but don't know how to break this cycle. In our pilot study, Precina Health has helped 98% of our patients get their diabetes under control. They've moved from dangerous blood sugar levels to normal ranges in just 12 weeks. Would you be interested in hearing more about this? Would love to be able to help you. Great. It'd be helpful if I can get a sense of what's been the most frustrating part of managing your condition. And what have you tried that's working and not working? Great. This is a lot to take from our meeting today. Agentforce Sales Coach is processing the preclinical intake. So my feedback is ready. We can see here the key strengths. I was able to answer some of the key questions relevant to this stage of the clinical pre-intake qualification process. I mentioned that Ben had been struggling to manage his type 2 diabetes. I actually, however, missed some of the key questions, importantly addressing why now is the right time for him to seek care. My Agentforce Sales Coach has helped me identify where I need to improve. There's some really clear next steps, and I know I need to practice some more. The good news, Agentforce Sales Coach is available on the patient record, so the clinician can continue to improve. And with Agentforce, Precina will be able to expand its practice and help more patients overcome type 2 diabetes.